Want to create a wish list on the Temu shopping app but not sure how? I'm Simran from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to make and manage your wish list on Temu. Let's get started. Open the Temu app on your device. Search for the items you want to add to your wish list. Scroll down to the product details section. Here, you will find a heart icon labeled Save. Tap on the heart icon and a notification will pop up confirming the item has been added to your wish list. To check your wish list, go back to the home page. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. In your profile, find the wishlist label beside your browsing history. Tap on the wish list to view all the items you have saved. And that is how you create and manage your wish list on Temu. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.